I spend a lot of time on this channel talking about dating, how to magnetize love, how to, become more magnetic, all of those things. But this video is going to be a little different, and it is about how to maintain a healthy, happy relationship. Because ultimately, that's what we all want, right? That's why you're watching all these videos on dating, so that ultimately you can have a happy, healthy, long-lasting love relationship. My name is Barbara Santen, and I help successful single women attract long-lasting love into their lives. So it's really quite simple. These are some of the things that I do in my relationship to keep it clean, to keep it healthy, to keep it happy and without resentment and baggage building up. Number one is to clear stuff. Clear grievances, clear stuff that's in the way. If your partner does something annoying, clear it. Not to mean yell at them and tell them they did something annoying. Have a conversation. Own your stuff. Be willing to talk about stuff. If you're not satisfied in your sex life, be willing to talk about it. If you are satisfied, be willing to talk about it too. Be willing to have the hard conversations and be willing to clear stuff immediately and not let it pile up. Number two, don't try to be right. Being right means someone has to be wrong. What if there was another way? What if there was a way to have a win-win situation in your relationship? You both had the same vision in the first place. Otherwise, you wouldn't be where you are today. And if your vision isn't the same, you do have to really reevaluate if you should be together. But most couples who have been together for a long time, ultimately, their vision is the same. They want health, they want family, they want connection. And what you're trying to do by trying to be right or winning an argument is making the other person wrong when actually you both want the same thing. So how can you create the win-win situation of achieving your goals and your dreams together by working together instead of proving each other wrong? So that is something that my partner and I have really, really learned over the last year or so, to stop arguing about who's right and who's wrong and what's right and what's wrong. No, what is our vision? Does this fit into our vision or not? And maybe it fits into my vision but not his. Then we can negotiate, right? But there's always a win-win. And truly, 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 you can always have a win-win. So that's that. And really trying to not always be right or to not prove the other wrong or to not defend. Just listen, just create together the win-win situation that you want to have. If you like this video so far, subscribe to my channel. I release 2 videos every week, just like this one, and I don't want you to miss out. So hit the bell button as well. You'll get notified if you want, and definitely hit the thumbs up button to show me that you like this video so far. Number 3 is spend time focusing on yourself. Spend time with yourself, spend time taking care of yourself, spend time doing things you like by yourself, spend time with fellow women, with friends, alone, and really create that bubble of staying a separate person from your relationship. So then when you are together, you remain whole. You're not always sucked into the relationship. I know that I do this very easily. So for me, it's really, really important that I have separate time from my partner so that when I am together with him, I don't mesh and melt into his life and forget about my needs and being my own person. So that is really what is maintaining our happy, healthy relationship. So let me reiterate, let me summarize. So number 1, clear stuff regularly. Do not let anything build up, and be brave. Have the conversations, have the difficult conversations. Number 2, stop trying to be right. Just stop. and focus on your vision and creating a win-win life together. And number 3, spend time focusing on yourself and maintaining yourself as a whole so that you're really showing up fully in the relationship. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below if you want more relationship tips or you're still enjoying the dating tips for now. All right, bye for now.